Hey, look at that guy. Hey, so we're in the greenhouse and we're working. Everybody's working. There's stuff everywhere. Alan, why don't you walk over there? I'll meet you. So what we've got is we've got the earth tubes in the ground, and I'm going to show you how we do this in a second. But the fans we're using are Raxial Series AC Infinity fans. These are only 15 watts. And this does about 105 cubic feet per minute. And we're hoping that that's going to be enough to heat the greenhouse. It's an experiment. So we're going to have 4 of these fans running. It'll be 440 cubic feet per minute, which will be able to replace the air in here in about 20 minutes. So we'll see if that works. We had already tried to start using just a few of these tubes, and nothing was happening. We weren't getting the geothermal heat that we were looking for, and it's because we hadn't sealed the rest of the tubes. It's important to have everything rigid going into the ground for quite some distance so you have that seal. So now everything's sealed rigid, and let me show you what that means. Over here, you want to cut some pieces of tape? So the way we did the system here is we used drain tile, which is a corrugated plastic tube that comes in rolls. It's cost effective, and for $100 you can get 100 feet, which is much cheaper than using rigid PVC. But by using that, you need to have the tube buried or else it's not airtight because it's perforated all the way around. So at some point when it pops up into the greenhouse or your house, wherever you're heating, it has to be converted to rigid pipe, just like this, so that we can backfill this and it's now sealed and the perforation doesn't matter anymore. And the way you do that, if you want to come in here real close, Alan, all I did was get some PVC fittings, find a way to put it into the perforated tube, and then use some vinyl tape to tape it on. So it's that simple. Now, the general principle here is this is a closed loop system, so don't fall in the hole. So that means that this pipe goes out of the building for about 100 meters, comes back in the building over here, and then discharges to 54-degree heat. So that's the whole idea of a closed loop. This chimney is attached to these out fans. So we have fans that blow out, which cause the hot air to drop back down, and it gets recycled in the same building. So that's where we're at. And we're going to experiment with the fans tonight, and we'll give you an update on how they worked.